It is time to do a graduated bob. So as you can see, what I've already done is I've sectioned off the back in half with the right side and a left side. And now I'm taking my very first section, which you can see is a 45-degree angled section with length longer at the occipital bone and shorter as we get closer to the neck. Now, I'm taking another 45-degree angle, I should say section, and I'm combing it down to that previous section I just got done cutting, using that previous section as my guide to be able to cut this current section. And as you can see again, the hair is going to be longer at the occipital bone and shorter at the neck. This is why we call it a graduated bob, because it gradually gets longer. Now, I'm going to work this left back side, cutting in the graduation. Then after I've completed the left back side, I will incorporate the right side, which is basically the hair in front of the ear. So for now, I'm working the hair that's behind the ear. And once I've completed working the hair behind the ear, I will then do the hair in front of the ear. So now it is time to start combing the hair on the right side down to incorporate the right side, which is basically going to be the hair over the ear and in front of the ear, to establish the outline of this graduated bob on the side of the head. So as you can see, I'm using that graduated angle in the back as my guide to create the angle as far as the line in the front. So it's time to do the graduation on the left-hand side now. I've completed the graduated bob on the right side. Not a whole lot to explain that's going to be different on this side. I'm pretty much going to mirror what I've already done on the right side here on the left side. Now I've already gone ahead and dried the hair, and it is time to chip in the desired outline that I want in the back, in the neck area. So I'm using the points of my scissors and basically just sketching in the desired outline in the back. And I'm going to do that on both the right side and the left side, and once I've got that desired outline in the back, I will then clean up the hair on the neck. You can use your trimmers if you'd like, you can use your scissors, whatever you prefer, and then we'll pretty much be all done. Alright, so we've come to the end of this graduated bob. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments in regards to a graduated bob, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.